But first, let's break down what we know about those 3 new cases of COVID-19. ABC 27 was first to break this news just 3 hours ago. I'm Angela Green.
And I'm Channing Frampton. Both Tallahassee Memorial Healthcare and Capital Regional Medical Center confirming cases in their buildings.
ABC 27's KRISTIan Thomas has been working this story since it broke. She joins us live outside Capital Regional Medical Center. KRISTIan, what can you tell us about these 3 cases?
Well, just hours ago, Tallahassee Memorial Healthcare and Capital Regional Medical Center confirmed they both had patients being treated for COVID-19. Now, 2 were treated here at Capital Regional. The other is now dead and was treated at TMH. We are told the 2 patients here at Capital Regional visited a freestanding emergency room. The hospital says once they started showing symptoms, they activated protocols for dealing with COVID-19. They later tested positive for the virus after approval from the Department of Health. One patient was discharged and told to quarantine at home. The other is still receiving care here and is in isolation for the safety of other patients. In Tallahassee Memorial Healthcare's case, the person was not a resident of Leon County. They transferred from an out-of-state hospital. Tonight, that person is dead. The test results confirming that case just came back this evening. TMH says employees who came in contact with the patient followed procedures in place to avoid self-exposure. Leon County and the city of Tallahassee have been preparing for this and are now urging people who were not taking this seriously to be more cautious. I just talked with Tallahassee's Mayor Pro Tem about these new developments.
It is a very serious matter. I think that until we actually had a case, people were, may not have taken it so seriously, but it is very serious. And we are continuing to ask people to wash your hands and be careful, be very careful, especially with those who are most vulnerable in our community. Even though you may not be suffering any symptoms, you may still be a carrier.
Now, again, Tallahassee Memorial Healthcare and Capital Regional Medical Center confirming that they have treated patients for COVID-19. Now, together, they have seen 3 patients. One of those patients that was treated at TMH is now confirmed dead. The other 2 were treated here at Capital Regional. One of those patients has been discharged to self-quarantine at home. The other is still here in isolation, kept away from all other patients for their safety.
So a lot of late-breaking developments, but KRISTIan, we want to know, are there other steps the government is taking to keep people safe?
Well, the city is urging those who feel that they have symptoms and have a referral from their doctor to go through those drive-through testing places like that one in Northwood Center. They're asking for you to go if you feel that you have those symptoms, but you must have a doctor's referral.
All right. All right, of course, now health officials are urging you, just like you heard, to follow guidelines put in place by the CDC to protect yourself from the virus. So here are some simple things that you and your family can do right now. The best way to prevent illness is to avoid being exposed to this virus. So clean your hands often. Wash your hands for at least 20 seconds with soap and water. Avoid close contact with people who are sick. And if you are sick, stay at home. Cover all of your coughs and sneezes. Wear a face mask if you are sick, and always clean and disinfect any surfaces you touch on a regular basis.